Well, hello and good evening, Valparaiso. If you stepped outside earlier today, you noticed that temperatures have been a lot cooler than what they have been over the past week or so. I'll show you why in a minute. But as we head into next week, we'll see much drier weather coming our way. Temperatures will be steadily on the rise, and by Wednesday, we could see high temperatures into the 80s. So here's a look at the jet stream. This is the winds further aloft, way up in the atmosphere. You can see, look at this just swoop down from southern Illinois, Indiana, all the way up along the East Coast. Everybody within this blue area here is experiencing much cooler temperatures. The cold is just being grabbed down from Canada. But as we head into next week, we'll see this jet lift further up into Canada. Behind it, we'll have much drier and warmer weather. So you can see that happening here. But here's a look at the temperatures. If you're joining us right now, 57 here in Valparaiso, 59 in Davenport, 51 in Green Bay. So these are all seasonably cooler temperatures than what they would otherwise be. The low tonight, look at this. I just showed you a second ago how that jet stream, brought much cooler weather. Well, here it is, 39 in Green Bay, 47 in Davenport, 47 as far south in St. Louis. I'm very surprised how cold it has gotten that far south. But here in Valparaiso, 49 degrees tomorrow morning. And as we head into tomorrow, we could see temperatures gradually increase. 67, that'll be warmer than what we got today. 70 in Davenport. Look in the northern high plains, though. 89 in Bismarck, 87 in Rapid City. Eventually, that's going to push our way. But Monday morning, you'll be walking to class. 49 degrees here in Valparaiso, but it won't take long at all before the heat machine gets kicking in the northern plains. 90 degrees, 94 in North Platte. These 90s here in South Dakota and Nebraska are eventually going to move their way our way, and by Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll be seeing highs into the 80s. The story for today, however, though, has been the lake effect rain showers that we've seen across portions of northern and Porter and Lake County. Winds are out of the northwest at 14 miles per hour. This was earlier in the afternoon. By this evening, winds begin to die down, and by tomorrow, they're much calmer. So here's a look at some of those lake effect rain showers. Earlier this afternoon, parts of northern Indiana had a couple of showers. This was just a couple hours ago. You can see that we had experienced some showers come down off the lake. But as we progress through the evening hours, they'll diminish, and by tomorrow, they'll be gone. So here's a look just to show you how the weather pattern is going to change. Look at no clouds back in this general area. Sunday as we head into Monday. So it's going to be very sunny on those days, and that's going to allow for temperatures to increase. So here's a look at today's almanac. The high temperature for today was only 62 degrees. The low tonight, 49. What's impressive is look at the average temperatures for this time of year. We are 14 degrees cooler today than the average. So certainly you've been feeling it. Something to note as well, 7:03 tonight is the sunset, so it's setting right now. And daylight is decreasing by 3 minutes. Each day we move closer to fall. So by this time next week, I'm afraid that the days will be up to 20 minutes less daylight than they are today. So your forecast tonight, 49 degrees, partly cloudy skies. We're going to see those lake effect showers diminish and fall apart. Winds are going to still be somewhat gusty, 5 to 15 miles per hour out of the north-northwest. As we step into tomorrow, it's going to be much warmer, high of 67 degrees, mostly sunny. Winds will be 10 to 15 miles per hour to the northwest. As we go through the day, those will decrease. Here's a look at your 5-day forecast. As we see football Sunday, 67 degrees is a high tomorrow. As we step into the early parts of next week, notice the sunshine and the temperatures. Monday and Tuesday, very sunny, and by Wednesday, highs in the 80s. Thursday, though, the clouds begin to roll in and chance for showers and thunderstorms as we head into Friday.